English vocabulary for social media. Let's go. Vibe, vibe. This cafe has such a chill vibe. This cafe has such a chill vibe. Aesthetic, aesthetic. Her Instagram feed is so aesthetic. Her Instagram feed is so aesthetic. Glow up, glow up. She had a major glow up last year. She had a major glow up last year. OTD, outfit of the day. OTD, outfit of the day. Here's my OTD, do you like it? Here's my OTD, do you like it? Binge watch, binge watch. I binge watched the new Netflix series last night. I binge watched the new Netflix series last night. Filter, filter. This selfie looks better with the vintage filter. This selfie looks better with the vintage filter. DM, DM. Send me a DM if you have question. Send me a DM if you have question. Caption, caption. I need a funny caption for this picture. I need a funny caption for this picture. Hashtag, hashtag. Use the right hashtag to reach more people. Use the right hashtag to reach more people. Reel, reel. The reel just went viral. The reel just went viral. A story, a story. I'll post it on my story later. I'll post it on my story later. Selfie, selfie. Let's take a selfie together. Let's take a selfie together. Trend, trend. This song is trending on TikTok. This song is trending on TikTok. FOMO, FOMO. I had to go to the party because of FOMO. I had to go to the party because of FOMO. Savage, savage. Her comeback was savage. Her Comeback was savage. Throwback, throwback. Throwback to last summer's trip. Throwback to last summer's trip. Cringe, cringe. That video was so cringe. That video was so cringe. Shut out, shut out. Being shut out to my best friend for helping me. Being shut out to my best friend for helping me. Unboxing, unboxing. I just did an unboxing of my new phone. Viral, viral. Hair dance video went viral overnight. Clouds, clouds. He's just doing it for clouds. He's just doing it for clouds. Club, club. Let's club on a new video. Let's club on a new video. Engagements, engagements. This post got a lot of engagements. This post got a lot of engagements. Follower, follower. She reached 10K followers today. This post got a lot of engagements. Content, content. Good content keeps people coming back. Good content keeps people coming back. Influencer, influencer. She's fashion influencer on Instagram. She's fashion influencer on Instagram. Like. Thanks for all the like on my post. Thanks for all the like on my post. Share, share. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Tag, tag. Tag me in your photo, please. Tag me in your photo, please. Subscribe, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.